This drumstick masala curry will definitely make you tempted. Blending of unique spices make this recipe a perfect choice. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 1 teaspoon oil and heat it. Add 3/4 cup of grated coconut. Add 8 shallots. Also add medium-sized cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, 2 pods cardamom. Roast in medium flame for 3 minutes.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now we can add the masalas. Add 1.5 tablespoon red chilli powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Heat on low flame for 1 minute. Transfer it into a grinder. Add some water. Grind it like this. Take 2 tablespoon oil in a pan and heat it. Then add half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon fennel seeds. Add 2 chopped onion. Mix it well. Saute it for 5 minutes on low flame. Saute the onion until it turns to light golden color. Now add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 chopped tomato. Add 1 sprig of curry leaves. Mix it well. Saute it for 3 minutes on medium flame. Now add 3 tablespoons tamarind juice and mix it well. Now add previously prepared mixture to it. Also add 1 cup of water. Add 1 teaspoon salt and mix it well. Cook on medium flame for 2 minutes. Add 5 drumsticks cut into small pieces. Close the lid. Cook on medium flame for 8 minutes. Give a stir in between every 2 minutes. The water content will be reduced. We will get very thick curry. Wow, our juicy drumstick masala curry is ready.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.